This is a simple and fast review of the NORTIV 8 composite toe work boots. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
Alright, so as we get the box open, I'm just going to show you one up close, and then we'll show you kind of outdoors what they look like. So first of all, flat base, like a lot of boots, not a kind of layered. Composite toe. You'll note that it's like a nylon here, not a leather or anything else. And then around the actual front is a kind of like a rubberized piece. So it's composite inside, but two different kind of, I guess, materials there. On the sides here, same structure. Everything kind of looks the same there. It's a great looking shoe or boot. Black does have the kind of boot helper to get yourself in. Also, you'll have a zipper over here to kind of enable you to keep it kind of tied if you want, which is something I do a lot. And I'll probably be using these to kind of walk the dog and slip on and slip off. Let's get this out real quick. It's pretty soft inside the heel there. These are going to be size 10.5 for me. As you can see, they are kind of a loop through, not a loop around tie-in at the top. So you got to actually run the actual lace through those. That's something important to note. Pretty good soft tongue, not very thick in the front. Plenty of padding on the sides, and there's an additional kind of extra heel padding here. Hoping you can see that. That kind of just moves around a little bit. Should hopefully provide some extra protection around the ankle. So we'll go ahead and get this tried on outside, but I just kind of wanted to show you what it looked like first. All right, so these things are really comfortable, great traction even in kind of snowy conditions. They're waterproof. I'm not going to slip them off right now, but they're easy on, easy off. Literally just slide on and slide off. Even when they're once you zip them up, they're tight and they won't come anywhere near coming off. But it makes it super easy to get them on and off, especially for when I'm out like walking the dog in weather like this. They do have, and I'm not going to test it with a hammer, but the composite toe makes it great for kicking snow, ice, anything like that, rocks falling on you, or if you're just dealing with any kind of heavy machinery. A really nice fit. They look great, they feel great, plenty of great traction, and strong. So if you're banging through icy stuff or anything like that, you barely even notice that they're on your feet. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.